I got a package in the mail today from, as you can see, Amazon Prime. If you want to know what it is, just keep on watching. If you guys guessed that it was hair, you're right. Got this hair from EERYA Hair on Amazon. Sheesh. Hey guys, this is just a really quick unboxing of some hair that I got. You guys know where I got the hair from because you've seen it when I opened the box. It's from Amazon, okay? And I saw a couple of reviews and I wanted to try out some, quick affordable hair. This hair I got is from EERYA Hair. And I purchased an 18, 20, and 22 inch and body wave. And you guys, this cost me $79.99. And I didn't pay for shipping because I do have Amazon Prime. So this is the hair, you guys. And let me show you guys what the hair looks like. I'm going to open up the 18 inch body wave. It's individually sealed. They also gave me a wig cap, two-piece wig cap. I did not purchase a closure or a frontal for this hair because for me this is going to be a very quick install and minimal leave out. I was thinking about filming it for you guys. If you want to see me do an install on my own hair, a sew-in install on my own hair with minimal leave out, go ahead and leave me a comment below telling me that you want it. So it came in the plastic and it also came in this net. And this is the hair. This is the 18 inch. As you guys can see, it is very full, even to the tip, pretty full. No hair is coming out whatsoever. So far so good. It smells like factory hair to me, to be honest. It doesn't have a corn chip smell or anything like that. No corn chip smell, but when I install it, you guys will see. And I'm not in my regular setup. I'm not home. I'm actually out. So I don't have my whole setup, you guys. So this is like really, really quick. But the bundles are very, very full, as you guys can see. The hair is definitely looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and open up the 20. This is the 20 inch. It looks true to length as well, which is good. I like that it does come in a net because that means that the hair is definitely protected and you need that. So this is it. Yeah, basically thick and nice length. No hair's coming out, so I'm pleased about that. The end look full. Bundles really, really thick. As you guys can see, the 18 inch is definitely a lot fuller than the 20, but that's definitely to be expected. It looks almost about the same. I really hope there's not too much beards. Yeah, the beards are not that bad, as you guys can probably tell. The beards are very, very short, which is good. So I'll show you guys the hair installed. If you do want to see a video on me installing hair, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know that that's what you want to see, and I'll get that up for you guys. So until next time, bye guys.